Hello, it's me again, Rachi Pagar from BS at English 2. And today we will continue our video tutorial about the fundamentals of technical writing. And today's topic is all about misplaced and dangling modifier.
Hello guys, in this video, we will learn about the fundamentals of technical writing. And today's topic is all about dangling and misplaced modifiers. But before anything else, let us define first the word modifier. A modifier is a phrase or word meant to describe or explain a part of a sentence. When modifiers are used correctly, the meaning of the sentence is clear. However, when modifiers are used incorrectly, the meaning of the sentence can change drastically. Using modifiers correctly will improve the clarity of your work. Now, there are two modifiers mistake. The first one is the dangling modifiers, and the second one is the misplaced modifiers. Now, let's take a look further at each modifier. The first modifier mistake is the dangling modifiers. When we say dangling modifier, it is a word or phrase that the writer intends to modify a following word, but the following word is missing. The result is an illogical statement. So when a sentence begins with a phrase that is not directly connected to the subject, or the sentence fails to include a target, that phrase is dangling. Now, for example, driving past the mall, the sun peeked through the clouds. So as you can see in this sentence, it implies that the sun was the doer of the action, that the sun was driving past the mall. So obviously, this sentence is incorrect. So to avoid the sentence being illogical, we must make the statement clear by mentioning the doer of the action. So the correct sentence would be, driving past the mall, Ira saw the sun peek through the clouds. Now we're done with the dangling modifier. Now let's proceed to the second modifier mistake, which is the misplaced modifier. Now what is a misplaced modifier? A misplaced modifier is a word or phrase that due to its placement mistakenly refers to the wrong word. The modifier truly is misplaced. Now, for example, the policeman finally stopped the criminal using pepper spray and handcuffs. In this sentence, using pepper spray and handcuffs should describe the policeman. But since that noun is so far away, the phrase seems to be modifying the criminal, who is not using pepper spray and handcuffs on the policeman. Therefore, this sentence is incorrect. Now, to make this sentence correct, we must rearrange the placement of the words. Therefore, the correct sentence would be, using pepper spray and handcuffs, the policeman finally stopped the criminal. Rearranging sentence parts will often fix a misplaced modifier. Remember that most modifiers should come as close to their targets as possible. Now, misplaced modifiers can also be just one word. There are some of the frequently misplaced one-word modifiers, just like the words almost, even, hardly, just, merely, nearly, and only. Changing the location of these individual words could also change the meaning of the sentence. Now, let's take a look in this example. The students passed almost all of her classes. This sentence means that she passed most of her classes, but not all of them. Now, let's take a look at this other example. The students almost passed all of her classes. Now, this sentence means that she came close to passing all of her classes but didn't actually pass any of them. As you can see, Both sentences are almost the same. The only difference is the placement of the word almost. However, the meaning of both sentences are obviously different. That is why, in constructing a sentence, having the right placement of the word is very important. And our video tutorial about the dangling and misplaced modifiers ends here. I hope you had learned something from me today. Thank you for watching!